The famous Japanese car manufacturer Toyota is now planning to bring a facelifted versions of their popular MPV Innova, which is known as Innova 2.0X in the Indian market. The new version already launched in some of the Asian markets including Malaysia. In India, the Innova MPV has been around for more than a decade now and has earned enough popularity from the Indian buyers with its superior power, comfort and features. The new facelifted versions of Innova will come with more features, power and cosmetic changes which will make it sportier than the current model. Toyota has a plan to bring this Innova 2.0X versions in the Indian market in the end of 2022 at the expected price between Rs 18 to 25 lakhs ex-showroom. Talking about the power, internationally the new Innova 2.0X versions comes with V6 compliant, more refined 2-liter 4-cylinder inline DOHC petrol engine with dual VVTi, which can be able to produce 139 PS of power at 5600 rpm and 183 Nm of peak torque at 4000 rpm. The engine is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission which will provide more power during acceleration and low cruising RPM for better fuel efficiency. Though there is no official information about the engine specification of the Indian version from the company yet, we will have to wait to watch if they will continue the existing engines or not. Talking about exterior design, the new Innova 2.0X versions will get sportier rug look. Up front it will get sleek bike xenon automatic LED projector headlights with inserted LED DRLs, more aggressive chrome inserted black front grille with Toyota badging at the center, sleek black air inlets, updated front bumper with plenty of black cladding and bumper mounted chrome inserted LED fog lights housing. The side profile will get power adjustable heated wall beams with integrated turn indicators, chrome accented door handles, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, auto up and down power windows with jam protection, side chrome garnish, large wheelers with black cladding and new set of 17-inch crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile will receive new set of LED tail lights, Toyota badging at the center of the boot, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, shark fin antenna at the roof, chrome inserted bumper mounted rear fog lights housing and updated rear bumper with black cladding. The interior of the new Innova has been updated with a number of features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, silver and black dual tone dashboard setup in the dash mounted silver highlighted AC vents and Fox wooden finish, electric power adjustable flat bottom leather wrapped steering wheel with steering mounted controls and wooden finish, smart instrument cluster with 4.2-inch TFT multi information display, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and navigation system, premium sound system with 6 speakers, eco and power driving mode buttons, remote trunk opener, front and rear cup holders, auto climate control, wireless smartphone charger, push button start and stop, ambient lighting, remote keyless entry, 8-way power adjustable driver seats, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with second row captain seats along with one touch tumble options and 50-50 splitting options for the third row seats and bigger boot space. The new Innova is expected to be updated with a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including impact-absorbing body and frame structure, ABS with EBD, hill assist control, brake assist, electric stability control, emergency stop signal, 7 SRX airbags, speed sensing auto door lock, high beam assist, seat belt and door hazard warning system, and 360-degree camera with front and rear parking sensors.